How does urban rainwater harvesting work? Have you ever thought about how rainwater can be a lifesaver in an urban environment? Urban rainwater harvesting is a practical way to collect and store rainwater, especially when clean water is hard to find. Let's break down how this system works and how you can set it up yourself. First, you need a catchment surface. This is usually the roof of a building, but it can also be any clean, hard surface where rain can flow off. The catchment area is where the rainwater collects and is directed to the next part of your system. Next, you will need a conveyance system to move the water from the catchment surface to storage. This typically includes gutters and downspouts. To keep your water clean, install screens or filters at the entry points to catch debris like leaves and dirt. These simple additions help ensure the water is cleaner before it reaches your storage. Before the water enters your storage tank, it often passes through a prefilter or first flush diverter. This device discards the initial flow of rainwater, which may contain contaminants from the roof. By doing this, you improve the quality of the water and reduce the need for later cleaning. Now, let's talk about storage. You will need a tank or container to hold the collected rainwater. In urban settings, these can range from large barrels to underground cisterns. The size will depend on your available space and needs. Make sure your tank is covered to prevent contamination and evaporation. Once you have stored the water, you can use it for various purposes. In survival situations, this might mean using it for drinking, cooking, or hygiene. If you plan to drink the water, you will need to filter or purify it further. Methods like boiling, chemical treatment, or specialized filters can ensure it is safe to use. An overflow system is also important. This will manage excess water during heavy rain and prevent damage to your setup. Some systems include pumps to move water from storage to where it is needed, but gravity-fed systems are simpler and requiring less maintenance. In urban survival scenarios, harvested rainwater can be used for emergency drinking supplies, gardening, or cleaning. Setting up a basic rainwater harvesting system can be done with readily available materials, making it a reliable backup when regular water sources are disrupted. Urban rainwater harvesting is a straightforward and effective way to secure a water supply in city environments. It requires minimal equipment and can be adapted to fit different spaces and needs, making it a practical skill for urban survival.